Question. Leader of the third party.
Question is for the Minister of Energy. Yesterday, Canadian press reported on a Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission document indicating that research on the safety of storing radioactive waste in limestone near Kincardine, which is the McGuinty government's only nuclear waste plant, is full of holes. My question is this: why is the McGuinty government launching a nuclear mega scheme when the Canadian Nuclear Safety Commission says you don't even know where to put the radioactive waste from your existing nuclear power plants?
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I appreciate the honourable member's question. Indeed, the CNSC and others are an important part of the mix with respect to the provision of nuclear power in any jurisdiction. And the matter at hand that the honourable member raises is, of course, one of the particular challenges associated with the utilization of that form of fuel for the purposes of electrical generation. And I think it's important, Mr. Speaker, that on this matter we continue to work diligently on a solution that for the very long term can be a successful one. As an interim step, we've completed substantial investment of storage capacity at the Darlington site, which holds us in very, very good regard for the moment, and we'll continue to work diligently towards the long-term solution that's much desired. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Supplementary.
Well, this is bizarre. The McGuinty government says that everything is fine and dandy with nuclear power, yet Canada's Independent Nuclear Safety Commission says that the McGuinty government's plan for nuclear waste storage is totally untested, unproven, and full of holes. David Suzuki, who this government used to like to cite, says that building or refurbishing nuclear plants in Ontario, which is the McGuinty government's plan, is simply not necessary, that we can meet our needs through renewable power, energy conservation, and energy efficiency. My question is this: rather than put future generations at risk, why won't the McGuinty government at least put a moratorium on building or refurbishing nuclear plants until it has a safe plan for storage?
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I don't think it's right that the honourable member should leave the impression that our government's not still citing Dr. David Suzuki for just in my presence last week, Mr. Speaker, and in front of hundreds, including at least a researcher from the NDP caucus, David Suzuki, that said that the Dalton-McGuinty Liberal government has been great for the environment. We're still quoting Dr. Suzuki. And we appreciate very much, Mr. Speaker, his strong encouragement that here in the province of Ontario, we take a faster and more vigorous and aggressive approach with respect to the bringing to life of renewable energy in the province of Ontario. And on that point, Mr. Speaker, as well, we abide the good advice that he has on offer. As I said in my earlier answer, the matter at hand that the honourable member raises is a serious one. It requires serious attention and serious work, and that's what it's getting, Mr. Speaker. And I think that over time the honourable member will see that this is a balanced approach to energy supply in the province of Ontario.